like the last demo, and this is something completely different. Now I will talk about Design One, so the web publishing feature that is a separate plugin that you can install on top of RCRT. And I think last time we demoed this was, I would say, a couple of sprints ago, and the feedback we then got was that an important feature for RCRT users is to be able to see the code in the web application. So we need some kind of code view, and that is what we have added in this sprint. So to show, I will export one of the projects that is available on our GitHub site, so the libTCP server, which contains a number of code snippets, for example, this small state machine diagram. And I have a local Design One server running here on my machine, and I will export it to a new design called MayDemo. This one is quite small, so it should go fairly quickly. Yeah, now it has been exported. So now switching over to the web application and opening the design. So we should expect to find the MayDemo here. And as you can see here, we have the model. And now if I want to show some code, I can take, for example, select artifact that contains a couple of code snippets. And there is a new command here in the window menu called show code. So the shortcut is Shift-C. And if you open that, you will now see that we have the code here in the web application. It's quite similar to what it looks like in RCRT. The only difference is that the tabs are up here instead of at the bottom. And another difference is that we only show the tabs that actually contain any code. So in this case, we have two because we have both header and implementation code. For example, if we open, we can open a state machine diagram that we saw on the screen before. I can move down the code here. So if you click on this transition, for example, it only has the effect code snippet. As you can see in the diagram, there is no guard. And because of that, we only show the effect tab here and no guard tab. This code is, of course, really like everything else in Design One, but you can, if you want to copy something, you can select it and invoke copy here from the context menu. Here's another example of a state that has an entry action, a small entry action, but nothing else. And this one is an initial transition with an effect. So with this feature, we hope that Design One will be useful actually for RCRT users as a way to publish your models and to share them on a server and collaborate around the designs. So any questions on Design One or the code view?